Hey, what's up, guys? I'm installing two brand new props on a Hanover 387 with twin Mercury 400 V10s. This is how you install the hub. This is the hub right here. This is the back end that goes inside. If you see, there's a couple different slots, the bigger slots in there. All these, all you have to do is drop it in, line them up. It'll fall right in. You just give it a little nudge because it's rubber. There we go. Installed. I already did this one. Now just throw some grease. So your thrust bearing, your washer, and your nut. And that's it. Pretty simple.